Good morning, kindergarten dolphins. It is so good to see you again. We are going to begin our morning with some calendar. So I'm going to point and count. I hope you're counting along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now which number is 24? Is it my first number, my middle number, or my last number? Which one shows me 24? I know it's not my last one because that has a 3 in the front, and the 20s don't have a 3 in the front. So let's see, it has to be the first or the middle one. It's the first one because I know that I have a 2 and a 4. The 2 in front for the 20 and the 4 for 24. Nice job. So we're going to add that to our calendar, and now you can add that to your calendar, Matt. Yesterday we wrote 23, today we're writing 24. So I added my 24 there. Let's talk about the month so that we can write our whole date out. Okay, I'm gonna sing the months of the year song. Let's get our hands ready for the actions. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And what month are we in right now? Let's check. It has an S at the front, which means it starts with S, S, S. Which month did we sing about that starts with that sound? September, very good, September. We're in the month of September. So on top of my calendar mat here, I wrote September, which you can check on the back to see how to spell. And now, what year are we in? We talked about the month and the date, but what is the year? 2020, very good. Looks like we're ready to write our whole date out. So on our date placemat here, we have September, and now we need to add our 24, 2020. And on the other side, we can make our 9, and then the date is the 24th, 2020. And now we can use that later when we need to write the date on our work. Okay, let's talk about the days of the week. We talked about our date, now let's talk about the days of the week. I'm gonna sing our days of the week song so we can try and remember what day of the week it is today. So we'll start with our hands on our head. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, down to your knees. Thursday, down to your toes. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the days of the week. And remember, we make 7 because we have 5 weekdays and 2 weekend days. And together, that makes 7. So let's think. I remember that yesterday was Wednesday. So I'm going to put my Wednesday, begins with a W, under yesterday was. Now, if yesterday was Wednesday, what day is it today when we go to our knees? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Very good, Thursday. Now, Thursday begins with the th sound that we get when we put T and H together. So find your Thursday on your calendar mat and circle it. And I'm going to put it up under today is. Now, if today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, tomorrow will be Friday. And Friday begins with a letter F sound. So I'm going to put that under tomorrow will be. So now we can see that yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Nice work, everyone. Looks like it's time for our weather report. Let's sing our weather song together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, Kinder, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Okay, remember, I'm going to do my weather report here from the classroom, but maybe your weather is different at your house. That's okay. You circle what you see the weather is like on your map. So I think that it looks pretty sunny outside today. It looks sunny outside. Today's weather is sunny. And it feels pretty warm. It's not too cold, but it's not too hot. So I'm going to say that outside it feels warm. So now you can circle your own weather report on your mat, and then we will move on to doing some shape study. So let's see what new shape we're going to learn about. Okay, the shape we're going to learn about today is an octagon. Octagon. And we have heard about something that starts with that oct sound. It's an octopus. And how many legs does an octopus have? That's right, it has 8. So just like an octopus, an octagon is something that has 8 sides and 8 points, just like a stop sign. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count the corners too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides and 8 corners. Let's look at some other things and see if we can find some octagons. All right, here we are. Time to be some detectives and find some octagons. Right away, I see a stop sign. We just counted, and a stop sign does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. So let's circle our stop sign. Ooh, I see a pizza. Does a pizza have 8 sides? No. It's round. It doesn't have any sides. Ooh, I see a trampoline. I love jumping on trampolines. Let's count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, our trampoline has 8 sides. So it is an octagon. Let's see. What about this flag? Does this have 8 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, only 4. So it's a rectangle. It has 2 sides that are longer than the other 2. So we're not going to circle it. What about this yield sign that you might see on the road? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 sides, so it's a triangle. Ooh, look at this metal. Let's count this metal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Let's count the corners to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. So our metal is an octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Ooh, I see our Superman sign. Remember what a Superman sign is? What shape? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon, not an octagon, so we're not going to circle it. Ooh, look at this spooky spider web. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. Our spider web is shaped like an octagon. see a cool shape down here. Let's see if it's an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, and let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that's an octagon. Very cool. Well, I think we found all our octagons. I see an iPad here. Is that an octagon? No, it looks more like a rectangle. It has 2 sides that are longer than the other 2. I see a lollipop. Is that an octagon? No, it's a circle. I see watermelon. Is that an octagon? Nope, it's a triangle. I think we found all our octagons, which means that we're ready to write about them now. So grab your morning journal and let's see what kind of octagon shapes we found. Okay, so today for our shape study in our journal, we're going to be writing about octagons. I'll read you the sentence, and then we have 3 options that you could write about. Or if you know of something that's shaped like an octagon that you would prefer to write about, you can try that out as well. So I'm going to read you what we have already. A blank is shaped like an octagon. Here's our new word, an octagon. And the 3 things that I gave you as an example are a stop sign, a trampoline, or a spider web. So you can pick one that you want to write about. I think I want to write about a spider web because it's fall and I think they're spooky and it's almost Halloween. So I'm going to write my 2 words, spider web. So in my area where there's a blank, I have A, and then I'm going to write spider web. S-P-I-D-E-R, and then I'm going to give some finger space. Web. A spider web is shaped like an octagon. And so many of you remembered to add a period at the end of your sentence. That is so awesome. I was so proud when I saw that. And now I'm ready to try drawing my spider web. And is it going to be like any old spider web? No, I need to make it an octagon because that's what we're writing about. So I want to make sure I draw 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's the start of my octagon. And now, because it's a spider web, I'm going to draw lines to connect my corners to make it look like a spider web. And the trick to drawing spider webs is to draw those little curves on the inside to make it look like all those lines are connecting. So I'm going to draw my curves to give it that spooky spider webby look. And maybe, since it is a spider web, I'll even draw a spider dangling down from it to give him lots of leggies. And there is my big spider web. Maybe I'll make it even bigger by drawing another big octagon around it. There's my spooky spider web shaped like an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides to make my octagon. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. Well, I can't wait to see what you guys draw for your octagon study. I'll see you later.